Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Does a Design Build Firm Give More Accurate Pricing Than Other Contractors? Now, when it comes to home remodeling, it's not just about picking colors and crossing fingers. It's about casting your budget net wisely. Imagine being at a fair and tossing rings, except it's your lifeline, and you really want to hit the target, which is your dream home. Design build firms? Well, they use a radar instead of hoping for pure luck, bringing precision and insight to your remodeling budget. So, why are they hitting the bullseye while others fumble in the dark? First off, it's about synergy, folks. A design build firm integrates designers and builders into one cohesive team. When they work together like PB&J, your project benefits from streamlined communication, reducing the game of telephone that often leads to costly misunderstandings and distorted pricing estimates. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. With traditional setups, the designer might dream big, and then the contractor reels them back in with budget constraints, translating into, you guessed it, more cash from your pocket. However, in a design build setup, they catch these budget busters before they balloon into an I should have known moment. This collaboration also means they're using pinned down specs from day one. Accurately knowing material needs and labor saves the hem-hawing and quote-busting changes. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. If your contractor keeps tossing around vague numbers like they're confetti, something's amiss. Design build firms also take pride in thorough upfront planning. Before construction workers are stepping foot in your garden, you've got detailed plans and comprehensive quotes, kicking unplanned costs to the curb. Everything from the budget forecast to the schedule is laid bare, removing those sneaky, costly surprises that love to pop up like a gopher at a veggie feast. And here's the cherry on top: accountability. A design build firm isn't pointing fingers when things don't exactly hit the mark. Instead, they course correct quickly and efficiently, ensuring that the project sails smoothly. This integrated team's morality compass, keeping you informed and your budget intact, ensuring the only extras coming your way are compliments from your friends. So when you're ready to roll up those sleeves and swan dive into renovation bliss, choosing a design build firm is your ticket to a smoother, more magically managed remodel. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.